Yeah.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
It's a vibe, yeah, feeling right, yeah, keep it quiet, so much ice, yeah, fantasize, yeah, the city lights, got me so, yeah, day and night, through the day and night, through the day and night.
Fam, it's another one. It's another one. Today we're already hot at work, or they are.
Yup, sweet spot. Oh, you burned fingers. Let me see your fingers. You still can see the line.
No, I put him in his butt.
And right when I was hooking up the wire to the paper clip, I was holding it like that.
Yeah.
I didn't notice that the wire was touching ground, basically. So boom, I see sparks. I was like, oh. And I see sparks over here. I was like, poop.
Yep. Good thing you didn't grab onto it too.
I was holding onto it for a good, like, I felt myself squeeze on it and then let go and throw.
Ouch.
It's a nice little grease mark now.
So if you guys seen the last video, we dropped the front of Logan's truck. It was a custom made spindle spacers, and then we didn't show it on the vlog because we did it on our off time from the vlogging. He changed out his spacers, so he changed his spacers to 1.25 inches so that, because it compensates the camber, right? Because it was super far tucked in, so now we pushed it a little out. And I don't know, he could have went. Nah, it's good right there. The old spacers were 3/4, and he's gonna let me borrow since he's got the new ones. What we doing on Logan's truck today, boss?
I have no idea.
What?
Too tired for this shit. He wants to go lower in the back, so he got right over there the A-OK. See that?
Yeah.
Look like rock button, but it's not. So 4-inch drop blocks, going 1 inch lower. Get that situated today. Should be pretty fast since
Maybe simple.
we did it before.
And if you didn't see that one, oh, you're the pit man for NASCAR or something?
You know it's done.
Shit.
I didn't even jack it up that far.
We just started the damn vlog, Logie.
Well, I do stuff while you stuff it.
So that's the drop block that we're swapping out. These are the 2 U-bolts that we're swapping out. Logan, you bought U-bolts, right?
In the bed.
Okay.
Oh, thank God. So Logan went to a bunch of different car places,
Then
car
I went
shops.
to the first place I went. I went with your gut, so.
I had a feeling it was
Sorry,
you this whole time. But he made me. He was the expert that day.
Yeah,
He
me
made
too. I
double-check myself.
believe the expert. Expert was wrong.
Maybe he was talking about the regular Tacomas.
Can you jack it a little more? I think he's talking about the newer one.
Yeah, the newer regular Tacomas. So he went to all these different shops because the guy that told him in the first shop, the guy told him your U-bolts aren't U-shaped. They're like this, square shaped. And that's not correct for his truck. It may be for a different Tacoma, but not his truck. So Logan's suspension is a sit and sick drop kit with drop blocks that we're gonna swap out. Jack stands are under the truck. Now it's time to take these bad boys out. Check this out, Logan helped me vinyl wrap my interior. It's kind of dirty. So Logan's working on his U-bolts.
It feels like actual work right now.
So this is the old block, the new 4-inch block.
So should I
So if you don't know yet, this little puko right here, this little hole, goes into this little nub. Pound out the U-bolt, align it, and put it all back together.
A lot easier than the other video they did where they took up the whole side skirt.
It's
all
cleaner.
that.
It's just cleaner. That.
No, look. It's easier with the tire off. You just cut it with the blade right around the.
Don't make
edge.
me show them the front end.
The front end was done with the tire on, and it's real low. So once I do my oil, I can clean it up easy.
It's pulling out his wheel well, cutting it out, make more space for the drop. Wheel well out. Now for the U-boats. So we had the brightest idea.
Action.
Legos. Logan decided to
Fuck
go
yeah.
7 inches.
7
I was gonna
inches.
buy 7-inch U-boats. That'll work.
Nah, no need. Just let them
Super glue. Super glue.
Duct tape. You want the slope of this, how it goes up like that. You want it facing the back. So you're gonna put it in pretty much like this with the angle going towards the back.
Angle up towards the back.
Can I pound it?
So for Logan's truck, we have to take out the shocks first, and then everything that holds the U-boats and the blocks. And it should be quick. But first he's gonna do this side's wheel well too.
So when you put it on, make sure you go washer, then lock washer, and then nut. The lock washer helps it tight so vibration doesn't come loose, and to keep it nice and tight when you drive.
And what is that bolt for?
To put the U-boat back onto the block so we can drop it.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So now he's working on taking out the U-boats. Gonna swap everything back in and we're done. Alright, everything's on. Putting the wheels back on. Let's see how it looks when it's sitting down the ground. So because we work overnight, we always do this shit early in the morning, and it extends into the noon or noon time.
And we normally get no sleep, and then we go back to work. Then
Same night. I gotta go back to work tonight
well, I get the day off, so I get to fucking sleep.
after 4 days of not sleeping.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but the fucked up part is, by the time like, everyone comes back, it's like the busy hour, so I can't take my half an hour. So I never sleep during my shift.
It's so hot outside that Micah put on his slippers after keeping it off and working under the truck.
Like 2 minutes.
He put on his slippers and his feet is burning. Logan's fingers are burning from the lug nuts. It's hot out here.
Cold.
It was fucking freezing cold
I
last
think it was
night.
like it hit like 63 last night.
Yeah, but it felt kind of good.
That's freezing for us. Pulling out the jack stands. Gonna lower it down.
You ready? You clear?
I'm just looking at my car and it's still low to the ground.
Drop like that.
Ready?
Yep, let's see it. Alright, that was it for today. Quick drop DIY drop kit for this guy. How do you feel about your truck, man?
It looks nice. Definitely gotta get alignment. My steering wheel is angled when it's straight. It just isn't too good.
Always drifting.
This is straight for
Yeah,
him.
my rear is stiff, but that's alright. Still
With the-
drives good.
The front camber is pretty sick. If you didn't see the first video of dropping his front, you know what to do.
Definitely gotta C-notch it
Yeah.
so it rides better and sits a little lower.
And then QA1 shocks are the best for the suspension, basically for our trucks. And those are pretty expensive, but he's gotta get them anyways.
Just gotta save up.
You know, it's a slow process, slow build, but he's getting there. His truck is lower than mine,
By a ½ inch.
and it looks nice. And the rear is gonna drop down a little bit more if we once
Once you C-notch it, because right now it's sitting on the axle. So once they C-notch it, whatever extra room they have, it'll sit properly and they'll actually be a lot lower.
That'll be sick.
Look a lot nicer.
Yeah.
Might have to cut though, but we'll
Oh
find
yeah,
out.
Oh yeah, I guarantee you're gonna have
we're
to
gonna
cut.
have to cut some shit. But other than that,
So, we got word that there's gonna be a Super Street Ellis collaboration car show coming up. Registration is coming up soon.
tomorrow.
It's actually tomorrow, yeah. So far, confirmed, me and Josh, this guy.
I'm pretty sure I am.
They haven't. He pretty sure it's gonna enter the show.
99.999%.
This guy
He will. No,
might
he will.
enter the show.
We'll make him.
So it's gonna be pretty much the first show for
Can't let
us
him down.
as a team, or almost a full team. It's kind of exciting, but more prep and all that means more content for you. And like always, like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that stuff. Helps us, helps you.
Thanks
Peace.
for coming back.